Hi, my name is Anna Hatfield. This is week 7 for Bio225 Microbiology, our last lab for the semester. I'm very excited about this. This is the antibiotic sensitivity Kirby-Bauer diffusion test. So we'll be testing out penicillin, gentamicin, and novobiacin into our agar plate. We're going to be adding that along with the nutrient broth of the epidermidis culture that we did a few weeks ago to see what happens, which antibiotic best works in the situation. I have my agar plate ready. I don't know if you can see there it is. I have my culture and I have the antibiotics. I have disinfected my work area and I have my pipette sitting in the alcohol. I have my culture ready from a few weeks ago, as much as that's all I have left. And I'm wearing my safety equipment, my gloves, and my apron, and I am ready to perform our lab experiment. So, first thing that our steps calls for us to do is always aseptic technique, which is removing the lid first off our live culture here and running the lip of the vial across the flame to disinfect properly. Next, I am going to blow that out yet. I'm going to take my pipette, make sure that it's nice and dry, shake all the alcohol out of it. And I am going to drop I'm going to drop 8 drops of my culture. Quickly pipe it 8 drops of broth to the center of the agar plate. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to mix it up a little bit first because it's been sitting. And here we go. Drop it right in the center. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I put this in my alcohol. Let it sit. I am going to put the lid back on my agar plate and I'm going to let it sit for about an hour. After I let my culture sit in the agar plate, the epidermidis, I'm going to then, actually, I almost forgot the step. Let's go ahead and open this up. We're going to take the L-shaped, oh gosh, let me open this thing. The L-shaped spreader, hold it from this end, and I'm going to spread my culture across the agar. There we go. Yeah, so you're supposed to coat the entire agar plate with the nutrient broth that holds the epidermidis. We're going to let that sit. Let's see, allow agar plate to remain undisturbed with the lid side up for 1 to 2 hours. after it's being absorbed by the agar, my nutrient broth with the epidermitis, I am then going to take my black tweezers, I forgot to get them, and I am going to place the penicillin antibiotic in its proper location that's labeled PNC. And then I'm going to also drop my antibiotic disc of gentamicin into its GNT area here. And then I'm going to take the antibiotic disc of novobiocin into its area also. So I'm going to take tweezers and add all 3 of my antibiotics into their proper areas after 1 to 2 hours. I'm going to let them sit and incubate for 12 hours, and I'm going to check up on them. If there isn't any progress, I'm going to allow another 12 hours, but hopefully the 12 hours will work. I've noticed that this specific culture has been very productive in the past, so hopefully we'll have a reaction to the antibiotic in 12 hours. So using my tweezers, I will drop those antibiotics into their proper place. And that concludes the video for week 7 of our antibiotic sensitivity, our antibiotic sensitivity Kirby-Bauer diffusion test. Thank you.